Hey everyone, so I wanted to go ahead and film a what I eat in a day video. They're probably some of my favorite videos to watch, so I decided to try it out. I also just wanted to put in a really quick disclaimer that this is not how I eat every single day. I definitely have cheat days as well, and that is totally okay, but I just wanted to put that out there that nobody eats perfect all the time, but this is definitely how I eat if I'm sticking to my diet and being good about it. Please ignore the mess in the back if you can, but I also wanted to do another disclaimer that this is a very easy version of what I eat in a day. It's going to be in a camper, so there's not going to be any cooking, just microwave. So I don't know about you guys, but I love to start my morning off with a cup of green or black tea, and right here I'm just using the Lipton green tea. So for breakfast, starting off, I'm going to be cutting up this banana, and I found out that it's actually really hard to do with one hand, but I'm just cutting this up for my acai bowl. This was actually one of my first attempts, so the next time I made it with melted peanut butter, granola, and strawberries, and that was a lot better. So now for lunch, I'm going to be making just a salad, and I'm using romaine lettuce here. I'm going to be adding some sweet corn to it. And I am also adding some shredded cheese on top. It doesn't matter what kind, I'm just using this one. And last, I'm just going to be adding the dressing. So here I use blue cheese, but if you want to be a little bit more healthy, I recommend a non-dairy option. Throughout the day, I will also have this acai juice from Costco. I really love it for throughout the day when I feel like eating for no real reason, and if you struggle with that, I highly recommend getting this. So moving on to the most simple dinner recipe ever, I'm going to start with some washed potatoes. So you're going to want to make a few holes to let this steam out, and then just put it in the microwave for about 8 minutes. After that, it should be ready to go. You can just add your toppings and you have a baked potato from the microwave. So I know I said I would only be using microwave in this video, but I decided to make some tortillas and turn this into some very simple potato tacos. So that was my very simple what I eat in a day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching.
Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment and all that bull.